राघवं दशरथात्मजमप्रमेयं सीतापतिं रघुकुलान्वयरत्नदीपम् आजानुबाहुमरविन्ददलायताक्षं रामं निशाचरविनाशकरं नमामि. Dear friends, in the third chapter I told you that the Hindus resides in the Shirdi objected for Baba staying in Hindus Khandoba temple. Days are moving. People of Shirdi attach too much of importance to religion. They want the fakir as a person giving medicines for their ailments, but they do not want to worship him when the question of religion comes, thinking that Baba is a Muslim. Sai's name became popular as a Hakim, treating ailments with herbs and leaves. People around Shirdi came to know that the poor fakir treat the people without accepting money. So people in large number began to flock to Shirdi. They do not know Sai is the person who can also treat diseases that comes as an obstruction in one's attainment of the self. Hindus used to call him as Sai. Muslims call him as Baba. So the name of Sai Baba becomes popular to the fakir. Baba resides in Masjid, which is called as Dwarka Mai. He lighted dhuni and keep it burning through day and night. He planted tulsi plants which represent Hinduism. But he wears kupni, a long robe, and always utters Allah Malik. Thus he abides in the unity of Hindu and Muslims. With one hand he carries tumbler and in another hand he carries kola, begging bowl. Like this Sai, who is no other than God, creator of all beings, goes to beg as a beggar. In the age of Dwapara Yuga, Krishna, while in forest, sent his followers to beg food from sages. Their wives gave them food, though their husbands rejected to give food. Knowing this story, the men in Shirdi permitted their wives to give food to Sai. Sai used to beg in 5 houses daily, if the food given by them is sufficient or not. He never goes to more than 5 houses. If the food given by the first 2 houses is sufficient, he does not go to other houses for the day. He do not beg in the night times. He brought all the food into masjid and put it in a pot. He then give it to cats, dogs, crows that comes to the masjid. You do not put any coverings on the food material, thinking that these animals may feel hungry at any time and coverings may cause obstruction to free access. Baba takes that food only unmindful of whether it is eaten by dogs and cats. On this side, God present in every article, so for him even the bad and good things, next neat and ugly things appear same. Who knows what purpose Baba descended on earth? Baba is very fond of lighting lamps in masjid. Every day he goes to merchants and beg oil for lighting the lamps. One day the merchants thought that this fakir is lighting lamps daily on account of our giving oil. So they thought to reject giving oil. Baba came back to masjid. The merchants also followed Baba to see how fakir light the lamps without oil. Baba put water and lighted the lamps. Merchants, seeing Baba's greatness, lay down before him and pray for excuse. This is the end of 4th chapter. Om Sai Sri Sai Jaya Jaya Sai.